Kailangan na talaga nilang ayusin yung Senate leadership kasi malapit na SONA. I was telling nga si Cheska kanina this morning. Sabi
yung
ko,
seating
diba,
arrangement, diba?
Diba sa SONA may speaker, meron kang Senate of the President o
Senate
pag,
President.
Senate President.
Nasa podium yun.
Kaya nga uupo,
So,
magkandungan
dalawa
silang
silang
dalawa
naka-
doon. Magkakandungan.
Shared seats, di ba?
Hindi,
Shared
diba?
signature, shared seats.
Well, in a way, resolved na eh.
Recognize
Resolved
na
na
ba?
dahil nirecognize na ng Malacanang,
Oo,
yung senior
Yeah, but the
Senate.
other one,
Tapos yung lower house, yung Congress, kinuha na rin.
ayaw tanggapin
Yung minutes ng Senate ay nakalagay na ron ay Senator Alan Peter.
Yeah, but supposedly
So-
there's going to be another Blue Ribbon Committee hearing led by Senator Alan Peter this coming Thursday. Parang may new set of 14 ex-employees
Hindi pa
of...
sumusuko.
Yes, yes.
Or-
Pero yung nakaraan kasi nila, hindi pumasok sa minutes yun eh.
well, it's not
Tapos
official.
walang Senate
It's like it
Secretariat
never
na involved.
happened.
As if it never happened.
Press
no?
con na, di ba?
So
Press
medyo
con.
may de facto, de jure appreciation or recognition na kung sino. Ngayon, kung gusto nilang tuldukan yan, pupunta sila sa Supreme Court para magpo-waranto case, appeal, na desisyonan sino ba talaga ang Senate leadership at sino ba talaga ang quorum, ano ba talaga ang quorum. But usually, hindi papasok dyan ang Supreme Court dahil nga
Internal
co-equal
rules.
branch of government
yes.
tayo nilang pasukan yan. Kung sakaling papasukan nila na merong constitutional crisis or grave abuse of discretion, it will take years para yan ay ma-resolve.
Ma-resolve.
In the meantime, election na sa 2028. No?
Tapos
Tapos ngayon, may SONA ka sa July. Resolved na yan in so many ways. No? Pero lang, gusto lang nilang tuldukan para merong malinaw na Senate President. Ngayon kasi acting daw eh.
Yeah.
Si
Sure,
Win
right.
Saka
Gatchalian.
recognized
Although yung
na
ibang
naman
legal luminary, sinasabi nila, hindi, kahit 12, pwede mag-elect ng Senate President, hindi lang magtanggal. Although, gusto lang manigurado nila Win Gatchalian na may 13
Para wala ng
wala
question.
ng
Parang
Oo.
technical.
Actually, sinasabi ni former Associate Justice Carpio, di ba, dun sa anti-plunder law, kapag ang isang tao daw kinasuhan na ng plunder, automatic suspension. So, in that case, or in this case, Senator Jinggoy Estrada is automatic suspended.
Yung duties niya,
As
suspended.
senator, oo.
Kasama sa duties niya pagboto,
Yes.
pagdalo. Which means, kung merong ganyang mga senador, dapat hindi na sila kasama sa bilang. No? Kaya hindi yung absolute majority ng 13 ang hinahanap. Yung talagang majority lang nung sino yun nandyan.
Sino
No?